welcome to my channel again. And so guys, today what I actually bring here, this video is dedicatedly for those students who are working with the computer, those people who are working with computer vision and image processing. And I'm actually going to give you an overview how you guys can find out an articles so I'm going to work with this large scale visual relationship understanding. So what this mean is basically large scale visual relationship is next level of understanding of object detection. Just like in terms of object detection, computer can only detect the object and won't be able to identify the relation between those objects. This is the next level understanding what pursued by the Facebook research, that how those detected object can be related to each other. So I was going through this article. Okay, the source code is available on GitHub. You can search in large scale visual understanding. And then what I did, I dragged that output into my computer itself and see how I can improve these parameters and see how much relationship we can develop. So this is all about today. I'm going to show you my output and their output and give you an overview what is the code all about, and I hope you guys will like it. Okay, so I'm going to show the output comparison first. And in the beginning, you guys already see that I'm searching few images from my own computer. So this was the output of previous article, and this is one of the reference images they used in the paper, and this is the output generated by further improvement of the model. Here you can see that there are much more visual relationship can be seen, that tree and in front of tree color behind. So all these information is available now, which wasn't available previously on the model. Like here, a person wear shirt is visible and person wear pant is also mentioned, while there are missing information: shirt on person, person on pant. So like this. So how this model is work like, this is my final output. So let me show you how inferences is working. And previously this model is using ResNet 18 and thereafter vector to word to vector encoding for understanding the text. What I did here, I increased few trainable parameter to improve the accuracy. So this entire thing is built on the top of Pytorch. Okay guys, and the model repository is available on GitHub. So basically this is a very simple model and the code explanation is also simple, but let me show you. There are many files is open, so let me reach out to the main file. So this is the file is also available on the GitHub. I didn't change the name of the file. Inside these files, the main functionality is happening with the faster RCNN, which is a built-in function available in the Pytorch. When you call this faster RCNN, you need to provide the backbone name. There are various backbones available. I have used ResNet 50, the same as they have mentioned in the paper. There are transformer parameter, that what should be the minimum size, maximum size, what should be the image man standard deviation. These are the manual fits and these remain same during the training process. Okay, flatten and unflatten target. Flatten is for flattening the textural. Flattening is for getting the output of the object and thereafter label it with the predictions. Unflatten means remapping in the images. Forward bias, this is a process how pre-trained model is work. Once we have the forward pyramid network, FPN, here where it is. So inside the faster RPN, they have used the forward pyramid network. This FPN will return the detected object after detection of the object when the bounding box is being drawn on the image. Thereafter, word to vector dictionary is used to make a relation between those detected object and how they can be related. This is all about the algorithm, and people used to call it visual relationship understanding. If some guys is working on image processing or something like that, it is one of the best booming topic right now these days. I have given the link of the article, and you guys can get the source code of this visual relationship understanding in the GitHub original repository. If you want to improve version of the source code, just ping me. I've given my WhatsApp number in the title section of the video. This is all about me, Ajay Jatav, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.